solve a very important question of Olympiad, which is given if a plus b equal to 1 and a square plus b square equal to 2, then we have to find a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7. So to solve this question, we are going to assume a plus b equal to 1 as a equation number 1, and now we are going to square both sides of equation 1. So what we will get here, a plus b whole square equal to 1 square, it will give a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 1. Okay, and since see here the value of a square plus b square has already given the value of a square plus b square is 2, so we will put the value of a square plus b square equal to 2 plus 2ab equal to 1. Now 2ab and 2 will go in the other side, so it becomes minus 1 and ab is equal to minus 1 by 2. So now we found the value of ab equal to minus 1 by 2. Now again we are going to cube of a plus b equal to 1. So what we will find after cubing a plus b cube equal to 1 cube. So it becomes a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus equal to 1. Okay, so a cube plus b cube plus, now see here in this term and this term 3ab is common both terms, so we will take common 3ab from both term. Okay, and so a will left here and b will left here equal to 1, and a cube plus b cube plus 3, since the value of ab we already have found minus 1 by 2, so we will put here minus 1 by 2, and the value of a plus b which is given 1, so we will put here 1 equal to 1. So a cube plus b cube, and it becomes minus 3 by 2, it will go other side, so it will be in positive, go with positive sign, so 1 plus 1 3 by 2. So a cube plus b cube equal to 5 by 2. It is assume equation number 3. Okay, now we are going to multiply equation 2 and equation 3. So our equation number 2 is this. Okay, so a square multiplying 2 and 3, so a square plus b square equal into a cube plus b cube equal to 2 into 5 by 2. Now multiply this, so a5 plus a square b cube plus b square a cube plus b5 equal to 2 will be cancelled out, so 5 left. So do you know why this terms becomes? Because when we multiply a square by both term, so when multiply a square by a cube, it will give a to the power 5, since a both have base same and power different, so power will be add. Okay, so 5 will come here, and similarly both all term comes. Okay, now a5 plus b5, this term b5, and since see here a square and b square both are common in both terms, so we will take a square b square as a common term. So what we left here b, and what we left here a. Okay, equal to 5. Now a5 plus b5 plus ab, value of ab already we have found minus 1 by 2, so we will put minus 1 by 2 to the power 2, and b plus a already have given a plus b equal to 1, so equal to 5 by 2. So a5 plus b5 minus 1 by 4 equal to 5. So a5 plus b5 and minus 1 by 4 will go this side, so it becomes with positive sign 5 plus 1 by 4 equal to 20. Sorry, this will be in negative side, positive sign, because square of negative will gives positive, so it becomes here negative, so it becomes 19 by 4. So a5 plus b5 value gives 19 by 4. Let us assume this equation as equation number 4. Okay, now we are going to multiply equation 2 and equation 4. Okay, so what the equation 2 is a square plus b square, and our equation number 4 is a5 plus b5 equal to in RHS we have 2 and 19 by 4. Okay, So multiply this term, a7 plus a square b5 plus b square a5 plus b to the power 7 equal to 19 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Okay, 19 by 2. So a7 b raised to the power 7 plus, see here, a square and b square is common in both terms, so we will take common as a square b square. So what we left here, b5, and what we left here, a5 equal to 19 by 2. So is a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7 plus c, a square b square can be written as a square b square can be written as ab whole square, and we already have found the value of ab, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, and we will put the square. Okay, and the value of a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5 is 19 by 4, so we put 19 by 4 equal to 19 by, so a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7 plus 1 by 4 into 19 by 4 equal to 19 by 2. Okay, now multiply this, a7 plus b7 plus 19 by 16 equal to 19 by 2. Okay, now we are going to solve this equation here. Okay, so a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7 equal to 19 by 2, and we will send 19 by 16 other this side, so it comes with negative sign because it has a positive sign. So what will be the subtraction of these numbers? So it becomes 16 as LCM, and here is a 152 minus what will be here, 19 equal to when we will subtract 152 minus 19, it gives 12, 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 1 by 16. So the value of a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7 is 133 by 16. This is our answer. Thank you.